Garlic scapes are the flower stalks that emerge from garlic plants before they bloom. Often overlooked, these vibrant green shoots are not just a byproduct of garlic cultivation. They are a culinary gem packed with flavor and nutrition. Harvesting garlic scapes not only helps the garlic bulbs grow larger, but also allows cooks to enjoy a unique ingredient that adds a fresh, mild garlic flavor to a variety of dishes. Nutritionally, garlic scapes are a powerhouse. They are low in calories, yet rich in vitamins A and C, as well as essential minerals like calcium and iron. Additionally, they contain antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Their unique flavor profile is a delightful blend of garlic and green onion, making them a versatile addition to many recipes. Whether you're sautéing, grilling, or blending, garlic scapes can elevate your dishes with their subtle yet distinct taste. One of the most exciting aspects of garlic scapes is their versatility in the kitchen. You can use them in pesto, soups, and salads, or simply sauté them as a side dish. They can also be pickled for a tangy snack or blended into dips for a flavorful twist. The possibilities are endless. By incorporating garlic scapes into your meals, you not only enhance the flavor, but also introduce a nutritious element that can benefit your health. So, if you're looking to experiment with new ingredients, garlic scapes are definitely worth a try. Embrace this seasonal delight and discover how it can transform your cooking. What are garlic scapes? Garlic scapes are the long, curly flower stalks that grow from garlic plants before they bloom. These green shoots emerge in late spring to early summer and are a sign that the garlic bulbs are maturing underground. While many gardeners and chefs focus solely on the garlic bulbs, garlic scapes offer a unique culinary experience that shouldn't be overlooked. They have a mild garlic flavor that is less pungent than the bulbs, making them a delightful addition to various dishes. The harvesting process for garlic scapes is relatively straightforward. Ideally, they should be picked when they are still tender and before the flowers open, usually around late June to early July, depending on the climate and garlic variety. To harvest, simply snap or cut the scapes off at the base, just above the garlic bulb. This not only allows for the scapes to be enjoyed in the kitchen, but also encourages the garlic plant to direct its energy into growing larger bulbs. In terms of appearance, garlic scapes are slender and green, often resembling a twisted green bean or a long, spiraled stem. They can grow to be about 12 to 18 inches long and have a smooth texture. Unlike regular garlic, which is bulbous and covered in a papery skin, garlic scapes are entirely green and have a more delicate structure. Their unique shape and vibrant color make them an attractive addition to any dish, both in terms of flavor and presentation. By understanding what garlic scapes are and how to harvest them, you can enjoy this seasonal delicacy in your cooking. Nutritional benefits. Incorporating garlic scapes into your diet can offer a wealth of health benefits. Thanks to their impressive nutritional profile, these vibrant green shoots are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and boosting your immune system. Additionally, garlic scapes contain important minerals like calcium and iron, which play vital roles in bone health and oxygen transport in the body. One of the standout features of garlic scapes is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. By including garlic scapes in your meals, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. Furthermore, garlic scapes are known for their potential anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of foods rich in anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease and arthritis. In addition to their nutritional benefits, garlic scapes can also support digestive health. They contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This can lead to improved nutrient absorption and overall digestive function. Encouraging viewers to consider garlic scapes as a healthy addition to their meals is essential. Not only do they provide a unique flavor that can elevate various dishes, but they also contribute to a balanced diet. Whether you're blending them into a pesto, tossing them in a stir-fry, or using them as a garnish, garlic scapes are a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. So, next time you're at the market or in your garden, don't forget to pick up some garlic scapes and enjoy their numerous health benefits. Culinary uses. Garlic scapes are a versatile ingredient that can enhance a wide variety of dishes, making them a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. One of the most popular ways to use garlic scapes is by making pesto. Simply blend them with nuts, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and a squeeze of lemon for a vibrant sauce that can be tossed with pasta, spread on sandwiches, or drizzled over grilled vegetables. Stir fries are another excellent option for incorporating garlic scapes. Their mild garlic flavor adds depth to any vegetable medley or protein dish. Just chop them into bite-sized pieces and toss them in during the last few minutes of cooking to retain their crunch and vibrant color. You can also use garlic scapes in soups, where they can be sautéed with onions and other aromatics to create a flavorful base. When it comes to cooking methods, garlic scapes shine in various preparations. Grilling them brings out a smoky flavor that pairs beautifully with meats and seafood. Simply toss them on the grill for a few minutes until they are tender and slightly charred. Sautéing is another quick and easy method. Just heat some olive oil in a pan and add chopped garlic scapes for a delicious side dish. Encouraging creativity in the kitchen is key when working with garlic scapes. Consider making garlic scape-infused oil by blending them with olive oil and letting the mixture sit for a few days. This oil can be drizzled over salads or used as a dipping sauce. You might also try pickling garlic scapes for a tangy snack or garnish. The possibilities are endless, so don't hesitate to experiment and discover new ways to enjoy this unique ingredient. Incorporating garlic scapes into your diet, adding garlic scapes to your everyday meals is easier than you might think, and it can elevate your dishes with their unique flavor and nutritional benefits. One simple way to include garlic scapes is by tossing them into salads. Chop them into small pieces and mix them with your favorite greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers for a fresh, garlicky crunch. You can also create a delicious vinaigrette by blending garlic scapes with olive oil, vinegar, and a touch of mustard for a zesty dressing. Soups are another fantastic way to incorporate garlic scapes. Sauté chopped scapes with onions and other vegetables as a base for your soup, or blend them into creamy soups for added flavor. They can also be used in vegetable or chicken broth to infuse a subtle garlic taste. Additionally, consider using garlic scapes as a garnish for dishes like grilled meats or roasted vegetables. Their vibrant green color and mild flavor make them an attractive finishing touch. Encouraging viewers to experiment with garlic scapes in their favorite recipes is key. Whether you're making a stir-fry, omelet, or even a pizza, try adding chopped garlic scapes for an extra layer of flavor. They can be used in place of or alongside garlic bulbs, allowing you to customize the intensity of the garlic taste in your dishes. To keep garlic scapes fresh for longer, store them in the refrigerator. Place them in a plastic bag or wrap them in a damp paper towel, and then put them in a produce drawer. This will help maintain their crispness. If you have an abundance of garlic scapes, consider blanching and freezing them for later use. This way, you can enjoy their unique flavor even when they're out of season. With these practical tips, you can easily incorporate garlic scapes into your diet and enjoy their delicious benefits. In summary, garlic scapes are a remarkable ingredient that offers both nutritional benefits and culinary versatility. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these vibrant green shoots can enhance your health, while adding a unique flavor to your dishes. Their mild garlic taste makes them a fantastic addition to salads, soups, stir-fries, and even as a garnish, allowing you to explore a variety of cooking methods and recipes. We encourage you to try incorporating garlic scapes into your meals. Whether you're making a fresh pesto, sautéing them as a side dish, or experimenting with them in your favorite recipes, you'll discover just how delightful and versatile they can be. Don't hesitate to get creative in the kitchen. Garlic scapes can elevate your cooking and introduce a new flavor profile that your family and friends will love. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, we invite you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more content on unique ingredients, cooking tips, and healthy eating. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family who might also be interested in exploring the world of garlic scapes. Your support helps us create more valuable content and inspires us to continue sharing our passion for cooking and nutrition. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to bring garlic scapes into your kitchen.